Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best corner TV wall mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for affordability, premium features, or something in between, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Solid as Mountain Full Motion TV Wall Mount. This mount is designed for TVs ranging from 26 to 55 inches and supports a maximum weight of 77 pounds. It's universally compatible with VESA patterns from 75 by 75 millimeters to 400 by 400 millimeters, making it a versatile choice for most small to mid-sized TVs. The full motion design allows for a tilt range of +5 degrees to -15 degrees, and an impressive swivel range of 90 degrees in either direction, ensuring optimal viewing angles from just about anywhere in the room. The build quality of this mount is solid, as its name suggests, with heavy-duty alloy steel construction. However, it's relatively lightweight at only 3.96 pounds, making it easier to handle during installation. The mount also features a low-profile design that keeps your TV close to the wall, saving space while still offering full motion flexibility. It's a great option for corner setups in compact spaces. While it's an affordable and practical choice, it does have some limitations. The maximum TV size is capped at 55 inches, which might not be suitable for larger screens. Also, the installation process, while straightforward, may not be as seamless as some higher-end models. That said, with its robust build and excellent range of motion, this mount is ideal for smaller living rooms or bedrooms. Pros include its affordability, flexibility, and compact design, but cons are its weight limit and limited compatibility with larger TVs. Coming in at number 4, the Amazon Basics Full Motion Articulating TV Wall Mount is our top budget pick. Designed for TVs between 26 and 55 inches and supporting up to 80 pounds, this mount offers solid performance without breaking the bank. It's compatible with VESA patterns from 100 by 100 millimeters to 400 by 400 millimeters and works with concrete, brick, and wood stud walls, making it a versatile choice for various installation scenarios. The design is straightforward yet functional. It features a tilt range of +10 degrees to -5 degrees and a 180-degree swivel, so you can adjust your TV to minimize glare and achieve the perfect viewing angle. The arm extends up to 16.3 inches and retracts to just 2.6 inches for a sleek, low-profile look. One standout feature is how easy Amazon Basics makes the installation process by including a mounting template, hardware, and even a bubble level in the box. However, this mount does have its limitations. While it's affordable, it lacks the premium feel of more expensive models, and the tilt range is slightly more limited compared to others on this list. Additionally, the build quality, while decent, doesn't inspire the same confidence as heavier-duty models. Still, for under $25, it's hard to beat the value here. This is a great choice for smaller TVs in guest rooms, offices, or apartments. Pros include its unbeatable price, user-friendly setup, and solid performance for smaller TVs. Cons are the slightly limited tilt range and basic build quality. At number 3, we have the USX Mount Corner TV Wall Mount. This versatile mount supports TVs ranging from 26 to 60 inches and up to 80 pounds, with compatibility for VESA patterns between 75 by 75 millimeters and 400 by 400 millimeters. It's built for full motion flexibility, offering a tilt range of +5 degrees to -12 degrees, and a swivel range of 90 degrees in either direction, ensuring excellent viewing angles in corner setups. The build quality is a key highlight here, with premium heavy-duty steel construction that provides stability and peace of mind. The arm extends up to 14.04 inches and retracts to just 2.38 inches, which is great for saving space when the TV is not in use. The included security lock screws add an extra layer of safety, ensuring your TV stays firmly in place. Installation is simplified with pre-labeled hardware bags and a paper template, and the plus or minus 4 degrees post-installation adjustment allows you to fine-tune the leveling of your TV after mounting. On the downside, the tilt range isn't as generous as some other models on this list, and the arm doesn't extend as far as the premium options. Still, the USX Mount Corner TV Wall Mount strikes a great balance between affordability, build quality, and functionality. It's perfect for medium-sized TVs in living rooms or offices. Pros include its sturdy construction, user-friendly installation process, and excellent corner mounting flexibility. Cons are the slightly limited tilt range and shorter arm extension compared to higher-end models. In second place, we have the Pearl-Gear Corner TV Wall Mount, a fantastic option for those who need a long-reaching, full-motion mount. This model supports TVs from 32 to 75 inches, with a maximum weight capacity of 100 pounds and is compatible with VESA patterns from 200 by 100 mm to 600 by 400 mm. Its standout feature is the 32.37-inch arm extension, which makes it ideal for larger corner setups where flexibility is key. The design and build quality are top-notch, with a heavy-duty steel construction that ensures durability and stability. The mount offers a tilt range of +5 degrees to -15 degrees and a swivel range of 90 degrees in either direction, along with ±4 degrees post-installation leveling. The tilt adjustment is tool-free, making it easy to fine-tune the angle on the fly. This mount is perfect for creating a dynamic viewing experience, whether you're rearranging furniture or hosting a movie night. However, the Pearl-Gear mount is on the heavier side, weighing 12.87 pounds, which might make installation a bit more challenging. It's also one of the pricier options on this list, but you're getting a lot of value for your money. If you're looking for a premium, long-arm solution that works for both large TVs and corner setups, this is the mount for you. Pros include its impressive reach, sturdy build, and excellent flexibility. Cons are its weight and higher price point. Finally, at number 1, we have the Monoprice Premium Full Motion TV Wall Mount. This is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a corner-friendly mount with premium features. Designed for TVs between 32 and 70 inches and weighing up to 99 pounds, it's compatible with both flat and curved screens, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. It supports VESA patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters and is built from high-quality, cold-rolled steel for maximum durability. The Monoprice mount offers full-motion articulation, allowing you to tilt, swivel, and extend your TV for the perfect viewing angle. The dual swing arms provide smooth motion and can extend the TV outwards or retract it closer to the wall. A standout feature is the ability to rotate the display to ensure it's perfectly level, even after installation. The mount also comes with a comprehensive set of mounting accessories, including screws, washers, and a box wrench for convenience. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Monoprice mount justifies its price with exceptional build quality, versatility, and ease of use. It's ideal for larger TVs in living rooms, home theaters, or any corner setup that demands flexibility and stability. Pros include its premium construction, wide compatibility, and corner-friendly design. The only con is the higher price, but for what you get, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.